Alright, got the control arm separated. And I did have to remove... Oh, no, not yet. This is, I'm recording so I can remember what I did. And then I took... No, you're good. Took this bolt out so I could remove that right there. So just remember this. Right now I have undone this screw right here so I can get the speed sensor away and out. Right now I've got 2 bolts back, right, I don't even know where my finger is, right here. Yeah, essentially I just need to get those 2 off so I can remove this brake thing. I don't know which ones do it though. Oh. Okay, so yeah, it's gonna be these two, this one, and then this one down here. Reference.